ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Habapin pau ye ki mat rekam jong ka National People's Party ka balayo bat yo lakam sensar hapo kene ka jilla Meghalaya mentala sausnem kinthi u National President jong ka National People's Party u Conrad Kongkel Sangma haga arpo ar tari ko bunai rempang arajar arpo ar ulaong lada ublay undang ebed bat lada ki Paidbah akindang penkop biang sasisen ya ke ikhtiar ka parti kan sanang Pyndep ye ki kam ki bala dep Sdang hagini ki sausnem balalait no u Conrad Sangma u balongru menteri rangba jong ke jella ula penpau ya kini habakren ha jingilang priang buram ya ke MDC jong ke People's Democratic Front ka bami khamat ya ke Umsning constituency ke kong Magdalene Saukmi Maulong ya u MLA barim ke Ranikor constituency u ba Martin M Dango ya u Chief Executive Member barim jong ke Khasi Hills Democratic Party u ba Man Study Nongrem ya u Chief Executive Member barim jong ke Gentia Hills Democratic Party uba Hambertos nong tudu lem bat yaki nongkershan jong ki United Democratic Party na Ribhoy District ki bala penya so yala di kum ki dikhot bapura jong ka National People's Party.
Whenever we work in politics, we must join a cause. There must be a purpose of why we are here. Political parties will allow you to achieve that purpose. Political parties will allow you or give you the platform that you need. But ultimately, we are here to do good for the people of our state. And we should all remember that that should be the driving force for each and every one of us. And that's why I'm happy today that people from different constituencies with a vast experience have today joined the cause of the National People's Party to take forward our state of Meghalaya and also to work together for the Northeast region and the country as a whole. Last 4 years have been very challenging for us. We have faced a large number of difficulties. I remember in the first 6 months of the formation of the government, not a lot of people had confidence that this government would last. A lot of people questioned on whether we'll be able to survive even 1 year. But it is the blessing of God. It is the teamwork that has been there. It is our commitment to the people of our state that has allowed us to be focused on what we are doing and not be bothered by these comments that made from outside and continue to serve the people of our state. And when the tough situations came, we got tougher. When crisis comes, that's when the true quality of an individual or the true quality of a team comes out. And we faced multiple crises. I don't have to tell you. But more the crisis that came, the tougher we got. The more challenges that came in front of us, the better the team started performing. And we started to move forward. And you must have seen in the last 4 years that this government has taken up issues that nobody ever dared to take up. Because of political issues in situations that maybe this might affect us in elections. But I keep telling our team that yes, there is elections, but there is also a purpose for which we are here. So while we think of elections, we must also remember that we have been given this opportunity and time to serve our people. Yes, it is difficult. Border issue is not easy, but it is our duty to try. People have given us the mandate, we must give it a shot. Because 20 years, 30 years down the line, if we look back and ask ourselves that why we didn't do it that time, I think we will regret it. And that is why I always believe that we must try. Failure and success is something that's not in our hands completely. But if we don't try, then we are failing in our duty and responsibility that the people of the state have bestowed on us. And therefore, we have taken up matters and issues that have been very challenging for us. But because of the teamwork, because of the guidance we receive from each and every one of you, because of the blessings that we have got from above, we are able to move forward. And I can tell you there will be many issues that have been there in the state for a very long time. I can assure you that we will be able to resolve most of these issues. That's the kind of positivity that we work with today. Apart from being able to work as a team, in this government we have been very clear. It's not one-man show. It's not about what just the chief minister wants. It's not about what just the deputy chief minister wants. It is about what is good for the team. It is about what's good for the state. It's about listening to the MLAs. It's about listening to the MDCs. It's about listening to the party leaders, listening to the people, the public. If we start to do things the way we feel like doing, then I think that's the wrong thing to do. As leaders, we must have our ears to the ground. We must have our feet on the ground. We must connect with the people. We must talk to our party leaders. We must talk to our MLAs, MDC, and come to a decision and consensus based on consensus. And in this government, that is how we have worked. Every single stakeholder, be it civil society, be it the traditional institutions, be it the parties, even the opposition, we have tried to carry people along and try to work. And that is what has been one of the key factors and the key aspects of this government, that we have always believed in teamwork and carrying everybody along. Another thing which we are very clear about is the fact that we have made sure that when we work, we try to spread the development to every corner of the state. We realize we can't do it all in one go. But this NPP-led government, this MDA government, has tried to give developments to every nook and corner of the state. Yes, not possible to give every situation or but roads, bridges, schools, buildings, offices that have been neglected for years are finally getting the importance that they deserve. And that's also another characteristic of this particular government and our party, and that's how we believe. And that is why what I have told you in this past 10 minutes about the party, that is why today all these individuals are here joining us, because they believe that the National People's Party is working with a cause, with a purpose, with a commitment and dedication that we need for the people of our state, we need for the region. And I can assure you that we will continue to do it in the next 1 year, and God willing, if the people of the state give us the mandate again, which I know that the people of the state will give us in 2023, we will carry forward the work that we started and complete the process and make sure that the state becomes in the top 10 states, as we have declared. We will be in the top 10 states in the next 10 years.